So my name is Richard Parker and I'm standing for the Conservatives in the Cromer division in the forthcoming county council elections. My background, I originally trained to be a nurse. I'm from Lincolnshire and I did my nurse training in Lincoln. I worked in many hospitals, mainly in intensive care nursing, before moving into management both in the NHS and in the private healthcare sector. I came to Norfolk in 2015 and worked as the Chief Operating Officer at the Norfolk and Norwich Hospital, which was a particularly enjoyable and proud time in my career. On leaving the Norfolk and Norwich, I started my own small business where I offer advisory support to other companies working in and around the NHS. During the recent pandemic, I've spent quite a lot of time working with local primary care in North Norfolk, again trying to tackle some of the challenges that we faced in what's obviously been a very difficult time. In standing for the council, there are three things that I particularly want to focus on. Clearly, with my background, one of them is health and the way that health and social care work together to make sure that we keep people as well as possible, support them in their homes as much as possible, and if they need to go into care, that's as good as it possibly can be. That's absolutely at the top of my list. I'm also keen to work with local businesses to help work out how best to respond to the difficult times that we've had through the pandemic, but also be more optimistic to work with all sectors to look at what the opportunities arising from Brexit will be for businesses in and around the Cromer area. Thirdly, I know that tourism plays a major part in Cromer. Similarly, I know there are challenges around housing and making sure that we have the right housing opportunities for local people, and I would be absolutely keen to make sure that that's fully understood and represented at the county council level. I've got one topic that I feel really passionately about, and I know that it matters a lot to local residents, and that's ambulance response times. And whilst I know it's really difficult, I would be absolutely committed to working with all of the stakeholders to make sure that we're doing everything possible to solve what is and what has been a very difficult problem that's challenged us for some years. So I would really encourage you to vote Conservative at the forthcoming county council elections. If you do need more information, if you would like a poster or you have any other queries, then please don't hesitate to reach out and get in touch. Thank you for your time.